Hey everyone, welcome to the video. So what we're going to do here is we're going to combine the inspiration from two separate videos into one video, which I will link both of those into the description box. And I feel like they're related, so that's what we're doing. The first is the PVC bow from ZNA Productions. So I'm going to use basically this length of PVC to make a bow. If you want to do this, I'm using 550 cord, scissors, cut, or a knife. A file. Rat tail file is better, but this is what I've got right now. Yeah. So this PVC has a bit of a bend to it. Fine. There's a bow end. That. Mark that as the top. Come about an inch down. And kind of make an unhappy face. Probably better to mark this out before you start doing this. But I kind of like to just do things and hope for the best. I just do things. So that's basically going to be it. And you want to deepen it so that your rope will fit. It's also gunking up my file. I have to clean my file off later. No, it doesn't. I don't know. Anyway, so put a loop in your 550 cord. See if it fits. Just okay. A little barely. But instead of that, you can also take your 550 cord and go a couple inches down from the end. Make another loop. If you don't have a file, or don't want to get one, or don't want to have the file, you can also buy one of these. This little end cap piece. I think it would help to file it, but you don't really have to, because what you can do is take this, take your string, bend it, so it kind of holds it itself like that, which is easier than this, and also out of alignment. My unhappy face. So actually, what I'm going to do is take my Sharpie, that, and that. Mark where the line actually falls. In fact, I'll do the same on this side. try this again. So. A little rough. For stringing a bow, take up to one, down like that. Leg in. You can also put your foot under like that. Stop it moving. And you just kind of twist into it. Okay. Line it up with that pretty nicely. That's better, I think. Collapse on me. Okay. Alright. The second part of this video is going to be testing the poundage, the actual draw weight of the bow. How about this? Analog scale. Is it analog? I don't know, whatever. Non-digital. Probably analog scale. 2x4, a little piece of scrap, a pen, straight edge, screw gun, and some screws. I'm going to make mine a little fancier, but I found this works perfectly fine, okay? So you take your 2x4, it should be longer than 30 inches, so this one's about 42. Okay, take 2x4, you mark every inch. And I'm going to do every 10 inches because under 25 doesn't really matter for demonstration. So on 25 I'm going to mark. So 26, 25, 30. Okay. If you've got a longer draw length than 30 inches, you might want to do that. So, the simplest way, take this, just put it right on your scale. If it has the option, which is a little better if it does, I'm going to put it this way so I can see it, okay? I'm going to zero it out. I've got a little dial. So you zero out the weight with the 2x4 on it. And then probably have to re-zero it out a little bit. Find the balance. Okay. So, there. It's actually still pretty low. Okay, the bow is pretty light, so it's pretty much there. Okay, now I'm going to pull down on this, pull down on the bow, and whatever force is applied from the string down will be measured on the dial. I'm going to take this, push down 20, 25. Now poundage is measured from 28 inches. 27 and 28. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that that's accurate. Poundage is measured from 28 inches of draw. So this is pulling it around 32 pounds at 28 inches. At 30, it's 35. Okay. Let me show you that from above. Okay. So make sure we're zeroed out. Okay, 0. And then pull. You can watch the dial go up as I go down, passing 20, 25, 28, 30, right about 35, 28, right about 30. So 30 to 35-ish. So So that's kind of the quick and easy way to do this. I do want to make mine a little fancier, so if you want to watch me make this fancier, stay tuned. Slash cut. Get it? It's like smash cut, but slash cut because you get it. So this video ran a little long, so I had to cut it up into little bits. So I hope you enjoyed this bit because it's over, and maybe go check out the next bit. And if there's no next bit just yet, maybe go check out some of my other videos. Maybe watch those in the meantime. Thanks for watching. So like, subscribe, all that stuff, and comment, all that fun stuff. So